What's up everybody, welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing to you 10 practical ways that you can save some money. And at the end, I'm also going to be sharing with you 2 things that you can do with that money that you save each and every month. So one of the major cry for many individuals is the light bill. So I'm going to be starting there and how you can save some money on your light bill. So the first thing you want to do is get a smaller fridge if you can afford to do so. Sometimes the bigger the fridge, the more it's going to cost you. I can recall someone commenting on one of my TikTok videos last year saying that their light bill was like $20,000 and they get rid of the big fridge they had and their light bill cut down to like about $10,000. But if you can't afford to change your fridge, you can unplug it nightly, saving you at least 6 hours every night on electricity. These little things add up, and at the bare minimum, this can save you approximately $500 each month on your light bill. You can also use the GPS mobile app to track your daily usage. You will see the difference when you plug out versus when you plug in. You'll realize that your daily usage decline each and every day, and you can just monitor this over time. Now, the second thing that you can do to also cut down on your light bill and save some money is using energy saving bulbs. They might be more expensive initially, but over the long term, it's going to save you a lot of money. And simply turn off lights that you're not using. And if you have like an outside light that you normally run throughout the night, you might want to get a sensor for that, so it only comes on when someone comes in the range of those sensors, and this will save you a lot of money. Number 3, create a shopping list and follow it. A bad habit of many what they call grocery shopping is that they go to the supermarket and they just pick up items. They go without a list of things they want. When you do this, you're going to be spending more money than you should, especially when you go up to the cashier section and you're ready to check out. There are a bunch of little things for you to pick up. Did you write them down? Is it in your budget? No, but yet still you'll go ahead and spend your money on things that you didn't really want. And this can save you approximately $500 each month again. Number 4, cut your internet package to the bare minimum, especially if you're not working from home or you're not using it to make money online. What are you doing with a internet package that is more than $6,000 per month? And this alone can save you, I'm just gonna put it at the bare minimum of $2,000 each month. Number 5, drop that Netflix subscription. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that because they like to be entertained and they like to unwind after work and have a good night, right? But there are a lot of free movies out there on YouTube. There are a lot of free movie sites out there. What happened to the good old days when you used to torrent movies and download them, even on slower internet speed? Now you can download a movie within 2 minutes. Back in the days, you have to wait 2 days just to download a movie. And if you're really struggling to save money, you don't need a Netflix subscription. These things add up over time. This can save you at least $1,400 per month. And guess what? The US dollar is rising almost every day. So each and every month, you are paying more for that subscription. Number 6, make 1 withdrawal per month when you go ATM. And this is why, again, it is important to budget, because when you budget, you know exactly what you would need to pay for in cash versus what you'd use your card to pay for. This alone can save you at least $200 in fees. Not all the time you're going to be in a place where you're going to be able to get access to a network ATM, and recently these banks are charging you to use their own ATM, so you need to start withdrawing once per month to save yourself in fees. Like I said before, this can save you at least $200 each month. All of this adds up, especially when you're unable to save money on a monthly basis. Number 7, lower the pressure in your pipeline. Now, a lot of people might not be aware of this, but the higher the pressure coming through your faucet, the more water you are wasting. And this over time adds up, because when you're brushing your teeth, you let the pipe run, that's water wasting. If you're washing the dishes and it's just running, that's water wasting. While you might not have the time to turn on and turn off the pipe each time, what you can do is lower the pressure from the main pipe outside or wherever that is located at your house. So it lowers the amount of water that is coming through your faucet per second. And this can save you at least $300 on your water bill each and every month. And make sure you don't have any leaking pipes. If you really want to see how bad this is, just leave a little bucket outside and let a pipe drip, and you see how quick it fills up and start wasting water. So these are the things you need to keep track of them and make sure they are not wasting any water in your household. Number 8, reduce your alcohol consumption. And this is something that I personally did. When you go grocery shopping, if you normally pick up alcohol as a part of your shopping list, cut it out. You're wasting valuable money and alcohol that is not beneficial to your health. So let's say you normally pick up 6 sorrel beer, that's approximately $1,600 or $1,500, right? But the rate at which food prices are rising, alcohol is definitely something that you can eliminate to cut down your grocery bill. And it is not really healthy for you in the first place, so you can just cut it out. This alone can save you approximately $1,000 each month. Number 9, make KFC a special occasion food. So if you're someone who normally eat KFC on a regular, like at least 4 times per month, at least cut it down to 2. So even though I say KFC, it's applicable to all fast food that you eat. So this can save you at least $500 per month. And remember, I'm putting these at the bare minimum. And number 10, get yourself a water bottle. Every time you go on the road and have to buy a bottle of water for at least $100, that's $100 you could save. And these little things add up, but people are not thinking about it like that. So if you go on the road 4 times for the month, buy a bottle of water, that's $400. So make an investment in a water bottle, and each time you're going on the road, you travel with your own water. And at the bare minimum, this would be a savings of $6,900 per month. And for the entire year, $82,800. And these are some simple things anybody can implement. And if you don't have $100,000 saved, start doing this right now. And it's sad to say, it seems like a lot of people have a basic maths problem. They're not doing these simple calculations. They're just living and say, hey, they don't have any money and they can't save. Now, if you do this, multiply it by 12, multiply it by 10 years, then you'll be amazed the amount of money you can just save over the period of time doing these basic little things. Now, what you can do when you're saving this money is that you can contribute it to a savings plan. A lot of people are not aware that they can contribute to their retirement plan by themselves. You can go to a broker like JMB and they can assist you with that. And the second thing that you can do is invest in a unit trust. This will be suited for if you're just learning about investment and you don't want to invest in individual stocks, or you don't know anything about individual stocks. Invest in a unit trust. Majority of the brokers out there offer these products: Parita, JMB, NCB, and the whole works. I'll leave a link to a list of brokers in Jamaica. You can check them out. Just give them a phone call and tell them you want to start invest. However, terms and conditions may apply. When you're ready to open your account, some may need $10,000, some may need $100,000. So if you have to save for 1 year just to get started, then save for 1 year and then start investing your money in a unit trust. I hope this video helped someone today. Thank you for watching.